to X-ray vision, and today I'm gonna tear down an ultrasonic sensor. I hope you guys know what is an ultrasonic sensor, because this is commonly using sensor in various audio projects, but I'm pretty sure that most of you don't know what's inside these parts, and let's see what's inside an ultrasonic sensor. So before gonna tear down this sensor, I'd like to tell you the principle that is used in an ultrasonic sensor. Actually, ultrasonic sensors emit short, high-frequency sound pulses at regular intervals. These propagate in the air at the velocity of sound. If they strike an object like this, then they are reflected back as echo signal to the sensor, which itself compute the distance to the target based on the time span between the emitting the signal and the receiving the echo. So that's the basic principle using in an ultrasonic sensor. So let's see what's inside this. So if we look at the outside of this sensor, this is a two-side PCB, and on the top of the PCB we can see there are three parts. This is a crystal oscillator, and you can see these big two round-shaped parts. The manufacturer named them as T and R. So this is the part that transmits the ultrasonic signals, and this is the part that receives ultrasonic signals. So this is TX and this is RX, and on the back side of this sensor there are three ICs. There is no any model number printed on this IC. I think manufacturer doesn't want to reveal those numbers. And there are various assembly components. Mostly they are capacitors, resistors there. So let's see what's inside these parts. So first I'm gonna desolder these pins to take out these parts. First I'm gonna desolder this transmitter part. Here we go. This is similar to a buzzer. I think the enclosure is made of aluminium, and in the bottom of that says it's named as T. That is the transmitter. There's a wire mesh on top of that part, and if we cut this aluminium here, we can explore what inside this. So I'm gonna try to cut this part using a nail cutter, because I was unable to find another good tool for this. I think this will be able to cut this. Let's try. It's working. It's making like a charm. So here we gonna see what's inside this. Let's keep this part aside. Uh, I think this is also made of aluminium, and here's the wire mesh. So let's see what's inside this part. And on the top of that, there's a silver color cone shaped part. I think that's emitting the ultrasonic signals. I'm using this to remove that. So this is it. Next, there's another aluminium plate. Which is fixed using glue. Oh, there's a piercer buzzer. Oh, which is soldered to the pins using small wires. So I'm gonna desolder these wires. Ouch! So here's the piercer buzzer. So let's see what's inside the receiver part. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, I got the part. So this is also named as R at the bottom. So I'm gonna cut this aluminum part here. I think these parts are the same. No, there's a difference. There's a difference. Here on the top of this cone, there's a glue-like thing. That's soft. I'm gonna remove that. This is it. It's very soft. Just like silicone rubber. I'm going to remove this part. And this part also. There was a piezo buzzer. I'm gonna dissolve these wires. So this is the piezo buzzer. In the RX part, very small piezo buzzer. So I hope that you like this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get notifications. So thank you very much and have a nice day.
Let's